Ooh. Oh, doing this. Wow. So check this out, this food market here. Wow. Whoa, nothing but food. Whoa, whoa, look at this. So yeah, you want some food, this place is sweet. Yes, food market, food stalls. Yes, there's food everywhere. All types of food here. And this place could get really, really tightly packed. Weird. Eggs, baby foods, more squid. Yeah, so as you can see, you come here to this food market, you're not gonna go hungry. There's so much variety of food here, and it gets crazy packed. So this is a place that, man, it's like gonna be a foodie's paradise. Just come here and eat and enjoy the atmosphere here. And yeah, awesome food market, awesome.